Hi guys, in this particular video, I'm going to discuss about LMS. So my topic is like the supervised and unsupervised learning in management. So if you go through that uh, topic, in that first, we have to understand what is the machine learning. And in that machine learning, there is basically four types of machine learning. One is the supervised, one is the unsupervised, one is the semi-supervised, and the last one is the reinforcement learning. But here, in our syllabus, we will focus more about supervised and unsupervised learning. Now, in that supervised machine learning algorithm and unsupervised machine learning algorithm, what is the difference? We will learn first that thing. And what is the scope in terms of management? That also we have to learn in that unit 1 lecture 1. After that, we have a data, right? But the main thing is that we have to pre-process the data. Without pre-processing our data, we can't fit any model. We have to pre-process our data. So in that lecture 2, I have explained here how to pre-process the data. Now, the very important thing is that evaluation matrix, or we can say the confusion metric as well. I want to check the model performance. What model? Classifier. Okay. Classifier model performance I want to check. So we have to go for a evaluation matrix. The evaluation matrix is important for not only the data science, not only for the data analytics. It is very much important for each and every field. So please focus on to that. I have made one video as well. After that, there is one case study. If you want, please go through that. Now, in that supervised machine learning algorithm, the very important one algorithm is like linear regression. So linear regression, basically we are going to perform the regression operation using the linear regression. What is the regression? Where the target is the numerical. I want to predict the flight price prediction. I want to predict the house price prediction. I'm trying to measure a rainfall. Okay. For each and every case where the target data is like numerical, we have to go for a regression algorithm. And one very important regression algorithm is like a linear regression. So please go through that. This is very much important. Now, in that lecture 2, I have discussed about the logistic regression. What about the logistic regression? This is basically a classification algorithm. But on the top of regression, we have to perform a sigmoid. So that's why the name is like regression. But actually, we are performing what? The classification. Okay. In the term of regression, we are trying to do a sigmoid operation. That is the logistic regression. After that, decision tree algorithm. If you go for a job for a data science or the data analytics or any kind of job as a AI engineer, as a product manager in AI field, any kind of job, the interviewer's favorite question is like, what is decision tree? Explain the decision tree end to end. So here I have created one video for you guys, and there is the explanation with the example. Now, there is most two important thing that we have to take care. One is the Gini impurity, another one is the information gain and entropy. So that thing we have to take care. After that, I have given I have solved one problem statement, that is the customer churn prediction. This is the code end-to-end project. So first of all, I have pre-processed the data. Then the data set was imbalanced, like I have to balance that. So all those things I have done. Here the fraud detection. So this is also a practical implementation. Now the catch is that we have completed the unit 2 in that way. You have to complete the unit 2. And in that unit 3, you have an unsupervised machine learning algorithm. One most important unsupervised machine learning algorithm is the PCA, Principal Component Analysis. Okay, so why the PCA is required? We have to reduce our feature. The work should be same, but we have to reduce our feature. So for that, the dimensionality reduction is very important. Okay, so please go through that dimensionality reduction. After that, the k-means algorithm. In semester 1 also, we have done the k-means clustering. In semester 2, I have again explained that k-means clustering. One video also there. If you want, you can go through that. And how to calculate a model performance of any kind of unsupervised machine learning. For that, Silhouette score is there. It is also important. I have included that here as well. There is the clustering, another type of clustering, that is the hierarchical clustering. Hierarchical clustering. Please go through that. PCA already I have told. Principal component analysis. It will try to reduce our dimensionality. Okay. Now, the data ethics. In that unit 4, we have to discuss about the data ethics. The data ethics is very important. I am trying to take someone data. So I have to follow some ethics, right? So for that, the data ethics chapter and the data privacy and protection, the two important things is there. So that is very important. If you want, here you can go through the video as well. And some rules is there like GDPR. So you have to study that. Okay. After that, there is the last chapter. What is the future in machine learning? So there is lot of future nowadays. Each and every field, if you consider about the medical field, if you consider about the business field, you want to start one business. Okay, so for that, first of all, you have to see, you have to predict the upcoming business growth. How will predict? Based on the machine learning algorithm. Okay. Now, you have to segregate your customer into different group. How you will do that thing? Using the, again, unsupervised machine learning algorithm. Okay. So, in real time, nowadays, without machine learning, it is not at all possible. If you consider about your problem, means you want to start on business. So first of all, you have to study the market condition. What will be the upcoming growth? So you have to take care all of those things. Now, the emerging trend in machine learning area. After that, machine learning in business system. Here I have taken one problem, how I will try to predict a flight price. The end-to-end project is there. If you want, you can go through that. Now, future skills and the career path. Now you are in this field, then your career opportunity also very good. Each and everywhere, each and every sector you can go. Nowadays, the any hospital also, they also want the machine learning engineer, the deep learning engineer, the AI engineer, the data analyst for their work. If you go to the mechanical industry, they also want some machine learning engineer, some deep learning engineer, any industry, some environmental scientist, they also want us, means the deep learning or the machine learning engineer, the data analyst, the data scientist. So each and every field nowadays they want these things. In your real life, you can apply these things. And the machine learning is all about the combination of statistics and the computer science. If you have a full confidence on statistics, then the machine learning is just a cup of cake. So, cup of tea. So that's all, guys. Bye. And please learn the thing. And if you have any question, please reach out to me. Thanks, everyone.